Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to solve the problem number 392, that is each subsequence. So basically this problem given two string, that is s and t. We just return true if that s is subsequence of tree. If it is not subsequence, then we just return the false. So subsequence means if a string new string that is formed from the original string by deleting some character, okay, without disturbing the relative position remaining character, whatever, okay. See this example one, okay. See this example one, okay. We have an array. Sorry. We have a string that is s and t. So s containing a b c and t containing a g b g DC, sorry, AHBGDC. So I just check if my whatever my string contain, whatever character my string contain, that character T contain or not, with same order. By remove we just making an another string by removing some unnecessary character from T. Okay, so I hope you understand. So I make you simply understand that whatever element that I have my main string, that is s containing whatever element, that element is present in my t or not, with same order by removing some unnecessary detail. So by seeing here a b c, so a is my a b c, so a is present here, a character, yes, a character is present here. So I make you, okay, a character is present here, and I just check H is present, H character is present. No, H character is not present. That's why I'm making it to red color. Okay. So H is not present. And is B present or in S? No, B is not present. That's why I'm making it to sorry. My B character is present on my main string. That's why I need to mark into a green color. Okay. My B also present in my S string. And my G is not present in my string S. So G will be marked as red. And D is present. No, D is not present. That's why D is marked. And C is present. C character is present. That's why. So whatever my character is present here, I just calculate that character, and that character are what is that character? That character are A, B, C. So that A, B, C is founded with same order, with same order means it's same whatever element, whatever character is present in this order, that will be same as this. That's why these are the subsequence, and we just return as a true. Okay. So I hope you understand. I make you another device. A A is present. That's why I make another string and store that A. And B is also present. That's why I make B added into my string. Okay, C also present. That's why C is also here present. Then that's why I added the C also here, and I just compare that main string into my created string. If they are equals, then I just return true. So uh, see this example two. Example 2 explain that I have in example 2 it containing AXC, that AXC and AHBGDC. So these are the two strings. S is the main string and T is the comparable present here to compare whatever my element of whatever character of my S is present or not. Okay, that's why I just need to check. So I just check a character is present here. Yes, a character is present here. A character is present here. Does like X character is present here? No, whenever I linearly search, my X character is not found. That's why what I do, I just return false. It is not a subsequence of T is T is not a subsequence of S. Okay, I just make this into red color. T is a not a subsequence of S. Okay, that's why it written as a false. Here T is a subsequence of my s. Okay, subsequence of my s. That's why I just written true here. So what is my approaches in order to solve these questions? So can anyone guess if you have any idea in order to solve these questions? So let's if you have any idea, then first and do. Otherwise, I will suggest you idea. So this problem is solved by two pointing approach only. Okay. So what is two pointing approach? So two pointing approach means I have taken two pointer variable, that will one is pointing from S and another will pointing to the T. Okay. These are the two string variable that are the uh, that are used to solve this question. So what is my approaches? I need to first of all mark that. Okay. So this is my approaches. From the first step, I just make you that I have to create a two variable. The that is create two variable, two variable, create a two variable, and the two variables are I have also mentioned. Two variable are I and J. Okay, I have to create a two variable that will be pointing I and J. So now it will be visible. Created a two variable that is one I and J, and I just compare a character of I, character of, sorry, whatever s s of whatever character of I, string of I, that will be equals to my t string of t or not. I just compare. Okay, just compare. What compare? That my s dot char at I is equals to, does it equals to, so it does it equals to my uh, uh t char at j. I just need to compare this two variable. Okay, I just created two variable that will be used to compare with each other. Okay, so I created a I name variable that will be pointing to here only. So basically this I pointing to here. Sorry. Basically this I is used to pointing to this, and J is used to pointing to this. If their character are equal, then I just making I into plus plus and whatever. I just making their comparison, and further what I do, further I just if I found that whatever element I have found, uh, whatever elements of I is present, whatever, suppose here series, here three number of characters is present, here also three number of characters should be present with same order. That's why I just return if that same I will be present by length. Okay, whatever you understand here, I just whenever I write the code, I just explain you. So whatever I value founded here, that should be equal as my what s variable, s length, because to be subsequence my length should be equal. That's why I just need to compare that. Okay, so without waste, if you understand that approach, then try to solve by your own. Otherwise I will show you code and try run the code. Okay, so hold on, make you easy. So this I it's a taboolean type functions. name is subsequence containing s and t as an argument. Okay, so I just created a n variable to store the length of my s first string, and created a m as a variable to store the length of my second string. Okay, so uh, I tell you, I just solved this problem by two pointing approach. That's why I created I as a variable that pointing to zeroth index of my first string. Okay, pointing to zero. Just imagine that will be pointing to zero. So and the second, so I created a for loop to iterate the each each character of my second sequence. So I created a for loop to iterate each character of my this string. I create a for loop to iterate each character. Okay, so I just created a char as s, that is character of s, from zeroth index. Whatever zeroth index of my character, that will be stored as char as s, and created a char as t, that means storing the character of t string. Okay, so if they are equal, then I will be plus plus. Okay, if they are equal, sorry, if they are equal, a and a are equal, then I just making the I pointing variable from this dot to here. Okay, because from this point, now comparable, now b will be compared from a, b will be linearly compared to the t string. Okay, so if they are equal, then I will be plus plus. Similarly, b will be founded. If b will be founded here, if b will be founded, then I will be increase. I will be increase. Now I will be pointing to c character, and it will be linearly search, and I found that c. Now this c will be my found, c will be founded, and I just need to compare. Okay, I have forget to tell, I whenever I created a group, I have made the condition my j will be run up to my m means length of my t string variable. Okay, sorry, t string, and I will be, but I will be my pointings to my string, and n will be the length of my string. Okay, and j will be repeatedly plus plus. If at last I just found that I, whatever value of I found it, so 2 3 4 5 whatever, is that equals to my length, then I just understand that this is my subsequence. Okay, so here I have found it at 3. My length of variable is 3 for example 1. Okay, imagine for example 1, uh, length is 3. So my whatever I counting I value, that will be my what, that will be new string length. Okay, then I just return I equals to n. If you have understand clearly, then watch again. Other, sorry, if you have, if you have don't understand, and then watch it again. Okay, thank you, have a good day. Okay, I just run, I don't, it's not run. I hope it works. Okay, okay, it satisfies both two cases. Thank you, have a nice day.